Hello, friends. In this lesson, we will learn the usage of personal pronouns in the Kashmiri language. But before we start, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit on to the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever we release a new lesson related to the Kashmiri language. For the sake of this lesson, we will focus only on these five personal pronouns: I, we, he, she, and they. Let's get started with the sentences. Do remember to repeat the Kashmiri words and sentences after me. The first personal pronoun is I, b, and when a boy speaks, the combination becomes buchus. I live in Delhi. Buchus dilirozan. Buchus dilirozan. I am eating food. Buchus batakyavan. Buchus batakyavan. I am learning Kashmiri. Buchus Koshur Hechan. Buchus Koshur Hechan. And finally, I am thankful. Buchus Shukur Guzar. Buchus Shukur Guzar. Now, for these four sentences, if a girl speaks, she will say Buchas. Chus gets replaced by chas. And these four sentences become Buchas Dilirozan, Buchas Batikyawan, Buchas Koshur Hechan, and Buchas Shukur Guzar. Let us look at the second personal pronoun in Kashmiri now. We, us. We live in Delhi. Us ch Dilirozan. Us ch Dilirozan. We are eating food. Us ch Batikyawan. Us ch Batikyawan. We are learning Kashmiri. Us ch Koshur Hechan. Us ch Koshur Hechan. We are thankful. Us ch Shukur Guzar. Us ch Shukur Guzar. Do remember when we use we, it's followed by ch. Us ch in most cases in the Kashmiri language. Third personal pronoun for today is he. Ye. Ye. He lives in Delhi. Yichu Dilirozan. Yichu Dilirozan. He is eating food. Yichu Batakyawan. Yichu Batakyawan. He is learning Kashmiri. Yichu Koshur Hechan. Yichu Koshur Hechan. He is thankful. Yichu Shukur Guzar. Yichu Shukur Guzar. Chu is always following he in the Kashmiri language. Ye chu. Ye chu. And when we use ch instead of chu, all these sentences are for girls. For example, she lives in Delhi. Yich Dilrozan. Yich Dilrozan. She is eating food. Yich Batakyawan. Yich Batakyawan. She is learning Kashmiri. Yich Koshur Hechan. Yich Koshur Hechan. She is thankful. Yich Shukur Guzar. Yich Shukur Guzar. And the final personal pronoun for today is they. Yim. Yim. They live in Delhi. Yim ch Dilrozan. Yim ch Dilrozan. They are eating food. Yim ch bata khawan. Yim ch bata khawan. They are learning Kashmiri. Yim ch kashur hechan. Yim ch kashur hechan. They are thankful. Yim ch shukur guzar. Yim ch shukur guzar. That was it in today's lesson. See you in the next. Bye bye.